Welcome viewers. You're in Galactic Q. In the previous video, we went through a simple introduction of MMD and PMX. Now we'll begin with PMX. Before downloading any model, first download PMX and MMD software. Make sure it's in the proper language that you want. It only has two known languages, English and Japanese. Now about this model. This is a model that's been made from scratch using only Verid. And this is a common issue that it can be easily fixed. In the next two videos it will be explained. Anyways, let's continue for this tutorial. First, go to the internet and find a simple model of your choice. Remember to respect and credit the creator's terms. Then, after downloading the model, make sure you know the path. This is important. Once you have downloaded PMX, open it. Load the model you've downloaded. If the model successfully loads, go to the near middle section of the program, PMX, where you can see the letter M. That is KNW as Material tab. Click on it, and you'll be seeing every single part of the model made. On the upper tabs are Vertex and Material, Bone tab, Body tab and Other. The list that shows is referred to Material, or mat for short. If you deselect any of the checkmark mats, you'll make something disappear, depending on the material number and its size, as it's being shown here. But when you select the checkbox, it will return. A small detail to make, on the lower left side of the screen. There's a blue circle, that's the bone visual button. It will show and hide the visible bones on the model. They're necessary for movement along with other things. In the next video, there will be explanation on the Vertex tab along with the material.